so you want to join a game jam. I may not be a game jam expert, but I have learned a lot from submitting 12 games in total to game jams. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find a game jam, think of game ideas, submit a game, and get people to play your game. Keep in mind that I will mainly focus on game jams on itch.io. There are probably hundreds of game jams that are active right now, so how do you choose only one? Of course, it depends on what you want to learn or achieve. Competition, theme-centered, genre-centered, game engine, practice. If any of these words stand out to you more than the others, chances are that's probably the kind of jam you're looking for. To see all the upcoming game jams, you can head over to the jam calendar. If you have a keyword in mind, you can use Ctrl F to find a jam that has it. You can press join on all the jams that catch your eye, and then later, go back to jams joined and choose the one you like the most. You can also use the filters here to search by time, featured and more. Remember that most itch.io game jams are beginner friendly, so don't worry about not having as much experience as other participants. You have a game jam, some free time and a pen and paper, but no ideas. Where do you even start? In this case, spend a few minutes or even hours looking for inspiration. Do you have any particular creative platforms that you use often? Do you enjoy drawing characters and thinking of fun and interesting backstories? Maybe you can try using an idea generator and try to piece together some wacky ideas. Lean into your strengths and interests, and you'll get there. If worst comes to shove, you can always ask for help from your friends, family and online forums. Once that light bulb turns on, pick up your pen and note down your ideas. Focus on one main mechanic and one main premise for your game. To be able to submit a game to a jam, you need to publish your project page first. Here's a quick video on how to publish your game on itch.io. Some game jams allow you to edit your game even after the jam ends, however other jams do not, so make sure you've double-checked the rules of the jam before you submit. Once your game is published, simply head back to the jam page, press submit a game, and choose the game you want to submit. There may be some things that you have to fill in, such as the number of team members or your game's relation to the theme. In big and popular game jams, there are usually a lot of people asking for comment or rating exchanges on the community tab. You can comment on these posts or create your own post with a link to your game. Remember to be polite and give genuine feedback on other people's work. Get your family and friends to play your game too. Try seeing their perspective and take note on what you could improve. Game jams are all about learning and having fun. That's all for this video. Remember, just have fun and don't stress yourself. Take care and see you soon.